Hello everyone, welcome back to VinVout-io. Today we're gonna look at the IR receiver and what all things we can do with this. It's so much fun. Let's get started. We can use our Arduino to decode the output from the remote and repurpose them. So what the IR receiver is for? Basically, it receives the output from our remote. IR remote sends pulses or infrared light to receiver. To prevent the interference, these pulses are modulated usually at 38 kHz. Each button on the remote sends unique code. The code depends upon the manufacturer. Here I will demonstrate how you can control the motors using an IR receiver and an ordinary TV remote. First, you need to download the IR small decoder library from the Arduino IDE. Personally, I love this library because it's easy to use and understand. For controlling motors, we need motors, and here we have a motor driver. It is used for driving these motors because the output from the Arduino is not sufficient to drive them. This is also used for changing the direction and controlling the speed of the motors. This is TSOP1738 IR receiver. This leg is connected to Arduino's ground, and the second leg is connected to Arduino's 5V, and the last pin is connected to Arduino's digital pin 2. The motor driver needs more voltage to operate, so I am connecting an external battery. After uploading the code, press any key now and you will get the decoded value. Here we have the IR small decoder library, and these are some variables, and this is used to get the decoded value of the pressed key. As you can see here, different values for different keys pressed. If you go through the examples of this library, you will find the hello NEC, and from this example you will get the values decoded in hexadecimal. But when I put these values in my sketch, it wasn't working properly, so I removed the hex and got some values in numeric form. When I plugged them back into my sketch, everything went right. Now if the forward button is pressed, we get 76 and it checks, and if it is 76, then our motor will move forward. It works in the same way for other keys. Now let's see what happens. So if I press this button, the motors will go in the forward direction. Let's test it. See this? And if I press this button, the motors will go in the opposite direction. Let's see it. See this? And if I press this, the motors will stop. Yeah. See? It stops. Let's try it once more. Do so much things with this thing. You can turn on the fan, light, or make remote control car. Literally, I mean the TV remote control. It's upon your imagination. This is so much fun. Let me hear your ideas in the comment section. If you like the video, give a thumbs up and see ya. Bye.